Day 71, automation only works for the efficient. In today's fast-paced world, automation is often touted as the ultimate solution to all of our productivity woes. From automating mundane tasks to streamlining complex workflows, we've been sold on the idea that technology can lighten our load and free us to focus on more meaningful pursuits. But here's a truth we don't often hear enough. Automation only works if you're already efficient. At first, this might sound counterintuitive. Isn't the whole point of automation to make us more efficient? To save time and eliminate human error? In theory, yes, but the reality is if you're automating chaos, you're just speeding up the mess. A foundation absolutely matters when trying to automate. Before automation can deliver its promises, the underlying processes need to be solid. Imagine trying to install a high-tech irrigation system in a field that's overrun with weeds. The water might flow efficiently, but it's not nourishing the right things. Similarly, if your workflows are riddled with redundancies, unclear objectives, or poorly defined steps, automating them will only amplify those issues. Efficiency is about clarity, focus, and intention. It's knowing what needs to be done, why it matters, and how it can be accomplished with the least amount of waste. Without this foundation, automation becomes a band-aid solution, masking deeper inefficiencies rather than actually solving them. Automate what is worth automating. Not everything is worth automating. Sometimes we get caught up in the allure of tech solutions that we forget to ask whether a task even needs to be done at all. Efficiency starts with discerning what adds value and eliminating what doesn't. For example, if you're automating email responses, but half of those emails don't actually need a reply, you're not saving time, you're just shifting the inefficiency to a faster conveyor belt. A conveyor belt of inefficiency. On the other hand, automating repetitive yet necessary tasks like data entry or inventory tracking can free up your mental bandwidth for higher value work. The key is to evaluate your workflows with a critical eye. Is this task necessary? Does this task align with my goals? Can it be simplified before I even automate it? There's a danger in the over-reliance on automation. Automation isn't a substitute for discipline or accountability. It can handle the how, but it can't define the why. It's easy to lean too heavily on tools and systems, assuming they fix inefficiencies or eliminate the need for human oversight. But the most successful automation strategies are guided by thoughtful human input. Efficient people understand that automation is a tool. It should not be a crutch. They don't delegate responsibility to an app or to a script or to a robot. Instead, they use automation to complement their habits, streamline their workflows, and scale their efforts without sacrificing quality. Efficiency first, automation second. The best way to make automation work for you is to focus on building efficient systems first. Simplify your processes, eliminate unnecessary steps, and establish clear priority. Once your workflow is lean and purposeful, automation becomes the multiplier that it's actually meant to be. Efficiency and automation are actually partners, not rivals. One lays the groundwork, the other builds on it. When they work together, the results are actually transformative. But without that foundation of clarity and intention, automation is just a faster way to stay stuck. So before you rush to automate, take a step back. Assess your systems, refine your processes, and ensure that what you're speeding up is actually worth the journey. Because in the end, automation isn't the answer, it's the amplifier. Make sure what it amplifies is something you're actually proud to scale.